bro, don't feed them. Here they come.
They know you got food.
Oh, man.
Because they know, they can smell.
Yeah, already.
They swarming us now like chicken
You ain't
shawarma.
gonna be feed white. You gonna bring all them things over here for nothing.
You got to throw that. Throw it. Just throw it, man. I'm like,
We connect the ducks.
I'm out here gracefully feeding the birds while they fight.
For real.
Look at the crow.
Oh, he caught it in the air.
I don't have any more, dude. Any more? What's your name? What's your
How
name?
close he got?
I know, I started a war.
What's your name? I don't have any more.
I started a war.
Yeah. I'm telling you, the bird fight, the bird war is gonna go down.
Yeah.
Oh my God, look at these birds. All right, that's all we had. That's all we had. Check the ground. Look at this crow. It's like all in our face.
Not a crow. Not a crow now. He trying to get fed.
Oh, they're gonna fight. I told you it's gonna be a bird fight. Oh! Come on, man. You ain't gotta do that.
Aggression, man.
You ain't gotta be like that.
Oh, man. On the fittest survive. Hey, Steve, I think that's the leader right there.